According to government statistics, 86% of all home break-ins are committed by someone who's been in your house before. Are you prepared? If you don't have anything of value, this video is probably not for you. But what if I told you I was sitting on $1 million right now? Literally. Made with the same construction as the famous bed bunker, Couch Bunker is also built with 10-gauge steel, quarter-inch thick doors with a gas piston on each side. It weighs 650 pounds, is built in the USA, and uses the highest grade multi-locks. Your couch transforms from a family seating area into a 2-hour firewall-lined safe with optional level 3A bulletproof cushions. These can stop a .44 Magnum at point-blank range. A custom and matching ottoman bunker may also be ordered alongside to complement Couch Bunker and hold extra items. And if you provide us with the dimensions, we can even design and construct a custom concealed home bunker for you.
Safety and security. These feelings are what makes a home feel comforting, along with the family that lives there. Willahide was founded on these principles, ensuring the safety of all those inside a home while also providing peace of mind. Each Willahide concealed cabinet is made right here in America by our experienced craftsmen. These wonderfully designed cabinets offer several different options for securing firearms, valuables, and more. From our picture frames and full-length mirrors to our floating shelves, every Willahide cabinet comes with easy-to-install instructions and is secured with our patented locking system. Protect your valuables and your family and never worry again. Willahide, beautifully hidden, elegantly secure.
Here at QuickSafes, we've developed some of the most advanced hidden compartment solutions on the market. Using RFID technology, we offer both security and accessibility. First, we came out with the Quick Vent Safe. Designed to look like a regular fresh air return, the Quick Vent Safe installs between two 16-inch center studs and blends in on almost every wall. This year, we've released a new innovative design that offers 50% more storage capacity, the Quick Vent Plus. Next, we developed the Quick Shelf. It comes in walnut, black, and white. We also offer an unfinished shelf for those who want to customize the color.
Here at QuickSafes, all of our products use RFID technology and come with 4 batteries pre-installed into the product. You will also receive 2 RFID key cards, 1 RFID token, and 1 RFID key fob, along with a backup battery pack. With QuickSafe's products, the hidden compartment is perfect for storing money, jewelry, firearms, as well as other personal items. The shelves are built of high-quality material that make the perfect piece of furniture, enhancing any home or office. The Quick Vent is designed to be a fixture in the home that is easily overlooked while conveniently accessible.
All right, hot off the presses from Q-Line Design, we have a pair of beautiful shaker-style Brazilian cherry end tables. We call these the Night Guard end table. They look like a standard shaker-style piece of furniture, beautifully handcrafted, but they're loaded with secrets. These have our brand new RFID radio frequency locking mechanisms in it. Here we've got 2 different types of keys. We have either a proximity card that works on your keychain. You just simply touch it up against the side of the compartment, and it unlocks your compartment, giving you quick access to your hidden valuables. The top also has a secret. Slides forward to reveal additional storage. We put the compartments on both sides. And then once the top is open, you can remove this little pin right here, giving you access to an additional small compartment for valuables, jewelry, cash, whatever you want to keep hidden from prying eyes. The concept behind these is just to keep your valuables hidden in plain sight, but safe and secure.